everyone! Today Hemptique is going to be showing you how you can make your own bracelet with letter beads for your own personalized message. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you are going to want to cut one piece of hemp cord 30 inches long. Then you're going to want to use a second color of hemp cord, and you're going to measure 2 cords at 50 inches long. We're also going to be using some beads in this tutorial, so you're going to want to find some nice beads with letters. Alright, so our very first step is to take all 3 of our ropes and we're going to tie them together with a simple overhand knot. So you want to find the end and move down about 4.5 inches and tie that knot. I like to just twist them around my fingers to form a loop and then send the long ends through that loop and pull them through and then give it a nice, fun and gentle tug to tighten. Just like that. Now we are going to secure this to a tabletop with a piece of tape. Separate the 3 cords so that your 2 longer pieces are on the left and on the right, and that shorter piece hangs directly in the middle. Now we are going to begin tying square knots to form our bracelet. To make a square knot, I'm going to take the side here on the right and I'm going to cross it over the rope that's in the middle. And this is going to form a nice loop here off to the side. Then I'm going to take the side on the left and I'm going to send it over that right rope. It's going to go behind the one in the middle and up through the loop. And now I just pull those 2 ends tight. Now to finish the square knot, I'm going to do the same steps but start on the left. So I take that left rope over the rope in the middle to form my loop. The side on the right goes over that left string, behind the one in the middle, and then up through the loop. And then I pull that tight. And this is my first square knot. And I'm just going to keep repeating these steps. So once again, I take the side here on the right and I send it over the one that's in the middle. Then I take the one on the left to go over that right string, behind the string in the middle, and up through the loop. And I give that a nice, fun, and gentle tug just to tighten it up. Now the left side crosses over the rope in the middle. Then the right side goes over the left, behind the rope in the middle, and up through the loop. And then we just pull that tight. Keep repeating these square knots until you have reached the desired length depending on your wrist size. So for my wrist, I'm going to be making about 1.5 inches of square knots. Once you've made 1.5 inches of square knots, we are going to attach our beads onto the middle string. You just take the end and slide it through the hole of your beads. Just like that. And what's great is you can spell any word you would like, whether that is a cute little message like mine, which is just smile, or your own name, or anything else. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie square knots between each bead. So I'm just going to slide them down and tie a square knot underneath my first letter bead. Again, using the same method we learned before. So I'm just taking that right side to cross over the string in the middle to form a loop. The side on the left then goes over the right string, behind the rope in the middle, and up through the loop. Then I'm going to finish my square knot by taking the left side to cross over the middle. Then I take the right over the left, send it behind the middle to go up through the loop. Slide my next bead back into place and just repeat. Just like that. And now my next step is to make the same amount of square knots I made on that first little section. So I'm going to be again making 1.5 inches of square knots. And now I'm just going to secure the other end with an overhand knot once again. So I'm just going to take all 3 ropes. I like to twist them around 2 fingers to form a nice loop. And then I send the ends around to go through that loop. And then I can pull it all nice and tight. Just like that. Now my final step is I'm going to take the ends here and I'm just going to tie an overhand knot on each individual rope to prevent it from unraveling from wearing the bracelet. So I'm just going to take it once again, form a little loop, send it through, and pull it tight. Repeat on the other side. Your bracelet is now finished. This bracelet can be secured onto your wrist or even your ankle using a simple knot. And there you go. This is how you can create your own personalized macrame bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that it put a nice little smile on your face. Thanks for watching.